river's over there through this grass. And should I walk through the grass? That is the question. Well, I've done it before. I usually have long sleeves on. I didn't wear a long sleeve shirt today. I don't know why not. But the river's right over there. So we'll see if we can get through here and see what's back there. Hopefully. It looks like there's something has been walking through here. I'm sure this is animal. Animals that made a path through here. Let's see if we can get through here. Just gotta watch where I am stepping. Is all. There are thousands of alligators out here. I don't know thousands, but hundreds probably. Just gotta watch. We should be coming back up on another clearing. Just a second. Ah, there's the clearing. See, this is one of the things I like to do. I like to go to places where people don't usually go. I mean, you got all the spots that are done up. But I like to go to where nobody goes hardly. This here's the Myakka River. Might get to see some gators. The water's gone down considerably from the last time I was out here, so I know I should be able to get to some other spots where I know there's going to be some gators at. This is it, and it's beautiful, just beautiful, except for the big power lines going over the river. But I'd come out to places like this, and when I used to freshwater fish all the time, I'd just walk through the woods and come to different spots on the river and just walk up and down this whole thing along the edge here and fish. There's gar out there popping up every once in a while. This is just, I like it out here. I hope that I am showing y'all. I wasn't even looking at the screen. If you're ever on the west coast of Florida down south of Tampa, this is a nice park to come to. And it's now in the fall, it's cooling down, the weather's nice. I'm sweating, but not nearly as bad as I was a few weeks ago. It's getting nice. There's a really nice breeze blowing. It feels great. Well, I gotta go find some alligators. We need alligators today. I'm not leaving the park till I find a big old alligator. Alright, I'll see you in a bit. There's a turkey vulture. There are lots of them out here. There's a ton of them up in that tree, and there's some up there. Yeah. That's a turkey vulture. They're the sanitation workers of the bird species, I guess. They clean up everything that's dead so the ants don't get. Well, the alligators are being really elusive again. There used to be so many out here. I used to come down here, you know, a few years back. Actually, it's probably been 4 or 5 years, but there just used to be so many out here. And I mean, I seen 2 today over by the little dam, but I didn't want to mess up. There's too many people over there. I didn't want to get too close to it. Yeah, there used to just be so many here. Seeing it's just a place I could check. But I'll keep looking. It's just sort of frustrating. I can't find a nice big one. There used to be so many. Alright. Journey continues. Little fungus growing on the tree here. It looks like an ear. Little fungus. There's another one. Funguses. Hey everybody, it's me. Of course it's me. Hey everybody, I did a measurement of the main road that runs through the park. It's about 6.5 miles long. So you can bring your bikes, park at the south gate or the north gate where we come in, and you can bike the whole trail. The concession stand area is basically right in the middle, but you know, about 3.5 miles in from either gate. You can stop there, get you some beverages or whatever, take a break. But that's a nice bike ride, 13 miles. Might be a little bit for much, or you could just ride from the beginning of the gate to the concession stand area, which, you know, 3.5 miles, maybe 6 mile round trip. Shouldn't take too long to do that. I was able to find that some alligators. They're what I call tourist gators, though. They're the ones that hang around where most of the people hang out. I like to find the ones that are sort of out by themselves, you know, away from everybody, so I can film. Had a bit of a traffic jam here. Anyway, yeah, I like to find the alligators that are sort of out by themselves. The tourist gators are just so used to people. I don't know. I just like the ones that are more out in the boonies, I guess.